Be careful with questions that ask you for nearest to. Nearest to means smallest difference. Sometimes it can be bigger, sometimes it can be smaller. Okay, so you need to check it both ways. But in this case, it's quite straightforward. They ask for a number between 3,000 and 4,000 that is the greatest. So the first digit has to be a 3. Next, who was first in the race? This kind of question, every year, students get it wrong. Why? Especially for those of you not in sports CCA. If you are in sports CCA, then you should know. What's the trick here? Right? If you come first in a race, you took the least time, not the most. So sometimes students forget. You all like to pick the biggest number, right? But it's not the biggest number. Whoever came in first took the least time, which in this case is Ming, not the greatest number. So time is a little bit different when you're talking about things like racing. Okay, if you're in a sports CCA, you should know that. What was the average time taken by the 4 boys? This is a paper 2 question. So to find your average time, you can just take 14.1 plus 15.0 plus 13.8 plus 13.9. Then the whole thing you just divide by 4. And you should press it as such into your calculator. If you press it as such in your calculator, you should get 14.2. Okay? Quite straightforward, but don't fall for the trick. First is the least time, not the greatest time.